So what types of damages can I recover after a trucking accident in Florida? Hi, my name's Charles Buist and I'm a personal injury and wrongful death attorney here in Orlando, Florida. And in this video, we're going to be talking about 5 different types of damages that may be available in a trucking accident case in Florida. So let's jump right into it. First of all, let's talk about medical bills. Medical bills are the foundation of any personal injury case, including trucking accident cases. Your medical bills include things like an emergency room visit, surgery, or any other medical treatment you need as a result of the injuries you suffered in your trucking accident. Next, let's talk about rehabilitation. If a careless trucker injures you, that trucker, or more appropriately the trucker's insurance, should be responsible for the bills you're going to get in the future for your rehabilitation. This makes sense, right? If someone injures you, they should be on the hook for whatever it's going to cost to get you better. This includes bills for physical therapy, chiropractic care, and more. Now, let's talk about lost wages. Lost wages are another type of compensation that may be available in a trucking accident case. When you're hurt in an accident, you probably will have to miss some work. Some of our clients will have to miss weeks, months, and in the worst cases, a year or more of work. Also, you may have to miss more work in the future. Again, the law here is common sense. If you hurt someone so badly that they can't go back to work, then you're on the hook for the money they would have made if you didn't hurt them. Next, let's talk about head injuries and psychological injuries. People in trucking accidents often have a head injury or a traumatic brain injury. This can be caused by a direct impact to the head or by a jolting force, like whiplash. Trucking accident victims are also often saddled with some sort of psychological damage, like anxiety, post-traumatic stress disorder, or depression. Head injuries, concussions, psychological disorders, and psychological trauma are all damages that may be available in a trucking accident case in Florida. Finally, we're going to talk about loss of enjoyment of life. Now, we can't talk about loss of enjoyment of life without mentioning some of the saddest types of injuries. I'm talking about permanent disability or disfigurement. When someone suffers a disabling spine injury or knee injury, such that their life is permanently altered, then there's a lot of value in that, because that person's lost a lot of value from their lives. Similarly, when someone suffers a disfiguring injury, that can change their life forever. Think about someone who gets burned all over their body. After an injury like that, life will never be the same. It's a lot harder. And a person that suffers one of these disabling or disfiguring injuries can be compensated for that loss. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions at all about trucking accidents in Florida or anything else, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're happy to give you a free legal consultation and talk with you more about your potential case. All you have to do is call the number below in the video description, or you can reach out to us at our website at www.carelesstrucker.com. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.